With Bluetooth HandsFreeLink, drivers can make and receive phone calls through the vehicle's audio system without having to take their eyes off the road or their hands off the steering wheel. Before you can begin the pairing procedure, the vehicle must be parked. To pair your compatible phone for the first time, press the Phone button. When the system prompts you to add a new phone, touch Yes. In your phone settings, ensure Bluetooth is turned on, and then select your vehicle's Bluetooth name from the list. When the system issues a pairing code on screen, make sure it matches the code displayed on the phone. After the pairing is successful, a confirmation message will appear on the vehicle screen. Note that your phone may ask for permission to sync contacts and favorites with the vehicle. To pair additional phones to the vehicle, first, select the menu button, then select Bluetooth Settings. Once you select Connect New Device, follow the same on-screen steps as with the initial phone setup. If multiple phones have been connected to the vehicle, you can set the pairing priority. Starting on the phone page, select Settings. After you select Bluetooth Settings, select Priority Device. Then, select either audio or phone and choose the phone you'd like to prioritize for this function. With select smartphones, you can press the talk button on the steering wheel to activate your phone's voice service. This is a great way to make outgoing calls while keeping your eyes on the road ahead. When receiving an incoming call, an audible alert sounds and the incoming call screen appears in the driver instrument cluster. You can either ignore or answer the call by rolling the left selector wheel on the steering wheel and pressing inwards on the desired choice. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.